Okay, Daniel, tell me what you're doing.
Cutting wood
Why are you cutting wood?
to start a fire.
And what are you starting the fire in?
A rocket stove.
Yeah, that stove. Why is it called a rocket stove?
Because it propels the fire upwards through here, which would then boil the water, which we are going to make tea with.
So Daniel's gonna make me some tea. First, he's gotta chop the wood. So safety. Tell me what you're doing for safety.
I'm staying a clear distance from the axe head.
Yeah. What else? What other safety things do you need to know for this?
Fire bad. Don't touch fire.
Don't touch fire. Yeah. There you go. Oh, she's getting splitted. Oh, there we go. I'd say you can probably pull it apart with your hand now. Oh, that's one. So how big do those pieces have to be in order to fit in there?
Well, not that big.
More chopping. Why is this important skill to know how to do, Daniel?
Because you never know when you'll have to start a fire. And you need the wood to start a fire.
There you go. Oh. There you go, like that, yeah. Those little tiny pieces is what we need for a rocket stove. So now you have to be extra careful. Why?
Because it's smaller, there's a bigger chance I might miss and
Exactly.
chop something you don't want to chop.
Like
Your leg.
Yeah, like your leg. That's right. There, oh, there you go. That's a good one. You want little skinny pieces. There you go. There you go. Like that. There you go. Push it down. Push it down. There we go. There you go. That's what we're looking for.
The problem is getting it to stand.
Yeah. There you go. Nope, one more. It's got to fit in there. It's one thing I like about the rocket stove is you only need little skinny pieces. So, and this is where you got to be careful of your fingers, right? Once it digs in, then push the whole thing. There, watch your fingers. There sticks. There you go. Up and down. There you go. Perfect. All right. Okay, that's good. It's there. And a little piece over there too. That one's good. Leave that there. Take that one next to your foot there and chop that one again. No?
This one.
Yep.
This one.
No, that one. Yeah, one of those. There you go. That's what you want. I like my skinny pieces. There you go. Okay, give that a whack right in the middle. Very good. You know you're doing it right when your axe hits the log underneath, right? So you go straight down with your axe. That's good. There you go. That's a good one.
Game full of it.
Faster we get some smoke going, we'll get rid of the bugs. There we go. Good job. Right in the middle like that, yeah. Okay. Yeah, do that one too. Very careful, yeah, very carefully. Once it sticks, then you go. There you go. Good. Okay, that's good. So we got some. What is it you got there?
These are twigs.
What kind of twigs?
Little twigs.
Little twigs. Are they green? Are they alive? Are they dry? What kind of twigs are they?
Dead.
Why is it important to have dead, dry ones?
Well, two reasons in my book. One is that they burn easier, and second of all, it's a bit more moral to cut down a dead tree rather than to kill a perfectly living one.
Yeah, well, I suppose that's reasonable. Paper. Let me see. Down there. Very good. Okay. What's next? What do you put on top of it? The big sticks or the little sticks?
The little sticks.
Okay.
There's a big stick that's going to stick up top, and you're also going to want to avoid tripping. That's too big.
That's skinny enough, I think. Thirsty for tea.
Me too.
There. Well, down this way now. There you go. Always squat down low to it so that you know.
Gloves gonna be okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that'll be fine. There you go. Now get down close to it. There. All the way down inside. Make sure that the fire doesn't go out. Try letting it get. Keep it close. Don't stand up so high. Yeah, like that. Oh, there it goes. You got it. It's okay. Put it down again. There you go. As long as it touches the bottom down there, it'll go up that way. See? Like that. And then, eventually, it'll catch that down there. See? Like that. There she's smoking now. Good. Now you can put some of those bigger sticks in. Those bigger, yeah, drop them down the top. It's okay if they're sticking out because when the fire starts, they'll drop down. Okay, that's good. Now some of those other sticks go down in the bottom. Yeah, right down there like that, yeah. There you go. Smells good.
Smells like fire.
Yeah, I'm just gonna give it a second. See she's smoking there. I look down inside her, make sure she's. Ooh. Oh, I hear some crackles. I see some flamage.
Hey.
It's like blowing right at me. Alright, I think you're ready for your little cross pieces there. Move from my chair. There you go. There you go.
Oh my god, it's going straight towards me now.
Kettle on the fire. So what's the oh, it's gonna be good smoke tea, look. There you go. Now what's next?
Maintain the fire.
Mm-hmm.
And we wait for it to boil.
There. There's those skinny ones over there too. Yeah, like that. That's why, like with this, you only need little twigs to boil water with the rocket stove. Alright. See what we got. Got any flamage up there? Got flamage down there.
So how long does it take to boil?
Oh, it didn't take too long.
A couple minutes.
Up and down there. There we go. Sometimes that helps speed up the process. There. Just need a bit of extra air in there. There we go. Why do you think the trees are all tipped over like that?
The wind. In Newfoundland, there's like that huge forest where all the trees are bent over.
Mm-hmm.
Why was that for?
It was right next to the ocean.
But it was like it was that one specific patch of trees. All the other ones were perfectly fine, or relatively fine.
Might have been something in front of it blocking the wind. But yeah, they're all like that because the wind blows so much. They kind of grow like that. I think the other thing, the reason why they're all bent like that is because the sun, they're pointing towards the south. That's where most of the sun is. So they all gravitate towards the sunshine. Mm-hmm.
And now it's this big prosperous town.
That's how progress works.
Yeah. Well, like St. John's is this giant city, and at first it started out as like a little, like basically a couple huts for fishermen and traders that could stop by.
Mm-hmm.
I think New York is the scariest example where, like, until Europeans arrived like 500 years ago, it's just forests. And now it's like, you can't find forests for 10 miles.
Mm.
Or like, look at Japan. Japan's the worst. I mean, like, yeah, they got lots of women, but like, a third of their entire land area is just city.
That's a very old place too.
Yeah.
on a very tiny island.
Yeah. I think the whole isle is like the size of Newfoundland. Yeah. And it has like 100 times the population. Population of Newfoundland is like 500,000. Yeah, and Japan's total population is like 100 and something million.
Right. That's a lot of people. I want to go to Japan.
I do too.
It looks cool.
Go see this, the IJN Tsushima. It's the oldest battleship in the world. It was built in 1899. It's also the last British battleship in the world. It was bought by the Japanese from the British. And the British had this habit where they destroyed all their battleships once they retired them. Which means that the only British battleship that still exists is the one that they sold to the Japanese. This was before World War II, so they were still friendly.
Dry willow. Some dry sticks. Put some down the top there too. Let's put that over. There you go. I hope you missed.
I missed.
There you go. I think I can hear it. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Let's have a look and see.
It is boiling.
Success!
Success.
Alright.
So how does this work?
They're in the bag. Just leave them in the bag. Just leave it in the bag. Put the bag in there.
And pour it in?
Pour it in. Oh, yummy. There you go. One. Three. Oh. I can go, sir. There you go. You leave that down there. Let it cool off. Ah. Oops. These are supposed to stay out there.
Oh. That's what I was trying to wonder.
Like. Oh, that's okay. They can stay out there. That's okay. All right. What do we got, anyways? What kind of tea is it?
Oh no, I just picked any tea.
Yummy. Bottoms up, sir. Good work.
I'm gonna wait for this to cool down.
Me too.